Communal violence escalates in adjoining areas of Khundrakpam and Saikul constituency. Locals flee to safer places. And National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET UG 2023 for Manipur State Centre scheduled on May 7 postponed until further notice. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm Joyce Rusham bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Communal violence is escalating in the adjoining areas of Khundrakpam and Saikul assembly constituencies. Locals residing in the adjoining places have fled to safer places as the situation is getting tense and there is apprehension that any untoward incidents may occur anytime. Several residents, mostly women, children and elderly people in sensitive areas are taking refuge in various places of Khundrakpam constituency. Locals urge Manipur government to promptly intervene and provide additional security forces in vulnerable locations of these two constituencies. Most of the locals of Iko, Pukhau, Laitan Pokpi, Ahalup, Nahalup, Khabam, Dolaithabi, Kewa and Sagol Mang of Khundrakpam Assembly constituency are now taking shelter in safer places in Khundrakpam area. According to locals, people in Khundrakpam and Saikul constituencies have been living together in harmony for ages, but the prevailing turmoil has created mistrust among them.
Sidagi and Sukam Wabas mine thing about Bogaudre. She chilly bug Tori Mayam, Mapam Kang the game say the Wabayaba Wari, she had a warning I told Kari Hina Hiraga, Wabazi cook to Hungry. You may Tadana Kotana, Sina Yaure Cole, Pounds of open Bidia Sinaji, Asinaji Queen Urabani. I Ishamaki Inaunipa, Haitare, she never see Eco Bazazida, but in my Loy Tadopira Yum Ecogi, at the time of Kodi Labum, Congregation, the Narang Cheluga Mohale, who Loichena than a Conadana. Sidagi and a Wab thing, Babung Bidin. The Kari Hana Hajat Hungdi, Man or the Zil only Pibita, the Mayam, the Kitan Kokadran, the Kanze.
Pukhausi, young ware the Samaitore, Pukhauda, who's Warize, Pukhaugi, Hogi, Hana, IRB came labor, Dam Gisi, Sinkaxida, Pukila Uzinga, the Mogi Pazazinga, pull up later. Nasaiju, Doitabi Bazamak, the Moy Adumataki, no make up 30. Ladiba, Laiba, Post Mayam Zinazu, Kamnavra. Adi moina tanbara hasu tande parjana di karmaina nungaju yaude karmaina tanaruni adu di khoi jo paila mi sele adu pukhauda lairi je huji nupa khara khatanga re nupi angang jo amta leitre loi chen gre nangna ba khunjing ji haiba bo amatai ta ba khunjing jo ayamna sele chen da ba khara khatang leitaba ya da ba nupa khara di adum lei nupi angang de ayamna loi chen gre huji khoina pami je sakar gi maigai dagi sakana phajana makhoi je amuktang karmai tawrino haibdu khut thadana khotana tanthokpi ba aduga yasanna ba pami
Koi wabi tumbam sabam sukangre kaugi kun loin chakre yunguman kun loi chakre letam pupim khara chae hoje tawri jingje koi koki lalo bi hoje da thabi gi damgi manaki jara koki lalo baga mai pajaga punna moi lisumuk tawraga nap nap tung toyan da chingdon da leire koi ji yang ware sabam thabam sukangre duga kamai tawgadam kangde duga koi pabung berenju khara yasanana bosan bi haije
ts location sing mahangna mafam asida siangsa hawai sengwai hek migi awat pa haiba jatogi phampham tumpham sapham pumna pibiraga mafam asida aikhoigi akhoi lanjen pa mayam macha senbi ka yauri ahloiba ka yauri nasalaba ka yauri asungma kya sibu akhoi gi worker single loinena mafam senbi langbi dana akhoi bo mafam jana senbi raga protect tawbira thambi bagi dama akhoi mla bu su thagar phongdok seri ta sengna ma haraga di akhoi la loisma pame shanti pame tangdu laita darba manipur akhoi oiba pamde corona na maram moiraga angang kaya gi lai lai sugi saitheng kaya nangraba matungda sahi ani hen lai tamhandraga nga sina lanjena rakanda isa isu singi career da sogi mate manipur yamna kari haini mangam sandaba aduguma oirakpase akhoi mama amoina nupi amoina akhoi pamjade mi hat mi pun pamjade kanglu ani mak irang nem thabiraga shanti gi lambi de puraga apun baza khorba manipur nusinaba aduguma manipur amo henba honabada aina appeal tawjeri.
Governor Anusuya Uike reiterates on restoring law and order in the state by maintaining peaceful coexistence. In a video released today, the governor expressed sadness over the loss of lives and destruction of several properties due to the ongoing communal violence in some parts of Manipur. Governor Anusuya Uike said the tense situation is creating chaos, fear and lack of trust among the public. She stressed that all the communities in Manipur have been living together in harmony since time immemorial. She appealed to the public to work collectively in bringing peaceful coexistence. The governor assured that Manipur government, army and central paramilitary forces are working relentlessly to bring normalcy in the state. She informed the public to contact Army Control Room phone number 923-363-7014 or the nearest police station in hours of need and emergency.
कि मणिपुर प्रदेश की उत्कृष्ट भाईचारे आपकी सहयोग करने की संस्कृति के अनुसार आप सभी भाईचारा बनाए रखें, भय एवं असुरक्षा की भावनाओं को मन से निकालकर अपने आसपास के लोगों का सहयोग करें। सुरक्षा बल सभी क्षेत्रों में गश्त कर रहे हैं, आपकी सुरक्षा का ध्यान रख रहे हैं। आपको विश्वास दिलाना चाहती हूं कि सुरक्षा बल आपकी सेवा में है, आपके एकदम नजदीक है। पुनः आप सभी से अपील है कि भय, अविश्वास, असुरक्षा के भाव को मन से निकाल दें। कुछ ही समय में सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा।
Complaints of baseless and one-sided reports being circulated on national media about the prevailing communal violence in the state are rising. People complain that these reports could mislead the people living outside Manipur who are not aware of the ground reality. In a telephonic conversation with Impact News, New Delhi-based historian Dr. Malem Ningthauja said this unfounded news report being published on several national media could strain the relation between tribals and non-tribal people in Manipur and disrupt peaceful coexistence. He said cause of the current violence is being wrongly portrayed as Hindu versus Christian, tribal versus non-tribal, hills versus valley people by national media.
Madam, I impact TV rajna to mune call to dire chuda.
Okay.
Ado ja hojik se Manipur lai riba koi kamlu ki irang hai bata re masiga mari rena national media da yam chawna lai riba information si pro forest ki movement number lai budu madu anti tribal lomda national media da lakpa ki mami ta ore. Ado media narrative se koi hojik uja Delhi Delhi bibni kamaini yang bi to rest of the India da masi mayam kamaini record to bir kan thabiyo.
Asigi si raz aikoi na observe to the kanda koi toy thodok sigi misinformation campaign ma yam chauna pre-plan tawraga sathar pamali ko tam karamba makal gi medium da sizna bagi haibada amana so called national media web to obi adagi television da obi aduga print news to obi yam chauna sathai asina saba Twitter personal Twitter adagi Facebook the Instagram singa yam lana koi project tawba well prepared tawraga sathar pam taweba ko and the entire media discourse the tali basically hen utti hai kanda tribal versus non tribal oina mu so ule adagi di hill versus valley oina tamu odi ko adagi di Hindu na Christian thing the attack tawba adagi di majority na minority da attack tawbu ni haiba aduga sikring maksida ida maitai si Hindu oina mu ula kanda Hindu to agi agenda BJP gi Hindu to agi agenda ni kain haina maina utpa adu maina tawdana yam lan ba campaign sa leba.
Okay.
Aduga issue ayam base tribe demands ki issue aduga tribal singu indigenous people singu displaced tawbadagi hor ko issue ni ga haibagi yam serana baromda yam chatpu uye
adu national media kar lai han pawta to makoi na kamai na report tawri karam mongda mayam de yol have si yam chawbu question am
yam sauna information sawe media sin si pat tongan ba projection de uye ko media sin sina meitai kultu hindu to ai kultu BJP mong da urakan saida india manung da leiriba BJP yaning da singi narratives no khlai dina ko hindu ko yaning da bagi adu narratives da fit tawla kubire we ko je ko gi context se Kung may na ay asam gida ay present away wamang Bangladesh news tapi dagi jatay tay amam tapi CNN again tapi mo na pwede twist tong na mo na rizik kay nukan da tay adugi mo yung narrative to fit away agaro mo mo question away ba it means they already have that backup ideas they am justice way ba aduga apaba narrative te yung pangway ga sa padung reporting di low dre ba mo
adu tar sige narrative se counter to matok tayan kan bi program ta mi
sige narrative se ekoy bulan na hun ho la na uli ba si di sun ba sini ay se matam di sang may ay ko matam di sang may ay ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯅꯣꯁꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯖꯝꯁꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄꯔꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯅꯦꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯞ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ
Okay. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ. Thank you so much, ꯑꯣꯖꯥ.
A driver coming from Nagaland's Dimapur went missing near Sapormaina police station in Kangpokpi district. Missing person is 45-year-old Laisram Sunil Singh, alias Nanau, son of El Boyai from Laifam Kuno, Mayai Lekai in Imphal East, currently residing at Faidinga. Impact News source said he was coming along with 3 non-local laborers from Dimapur in a Scorpio vehicle bearing registration number MN3P7609 when they were offered help for safety by some local youths near Sapormaina police station on May 3 evening, the day when violence erupted in Churachandpur district after the tribal solidarity march. The 3 non-local laborers were reportedly made to return back to their respective places in a vehicle heading to Dimapur, but the Meitei driver was offered to be rescued. Missing Sunil was in touch with his family members till 6 a.m. on May 5. A case has been filed at Lamphil police station. Armed miscreants in the hillock of Senjam Chirang reportedly shot dead a villager from the communal violence hit Senjam Chirang of Imphal West district last evening. According to Impact News sources, the deceased, aged around 60, was hit while he was climbing the Senjam Chirang hillock. A combined team of Manipur police, Manipur commandos and paramilitary forces rushed to the site and recovered the body today.
I know Zilli Jeremhamsi Senjam Chirang Dani, Aduga Narang Koi Senjam Chirangi Kunja sing the Kakalu Matamda, sing the Ki Kulai Pepsin and we Katak Potiki, Kunjam, like it Habagi, Pau Pangudagi, Asi Baksang the Lotona Bidamukta, Manipulski team Singamadi, Topa paramilitary forcing, Laktuna lady, was a Kunchita Sangba, Namdaduna lady, Singi Lam Singi Maham Sing the Koi Mitolopa, Amadi, Singumba Kunjasing Tolopo, but the Kisan Hamagam lady. Hari mafam sing sita rang lungthil kunja sing karo matam da sing karo matam da nungoi kathar podigi kunja ama nungoi na pandona la kita pasai humpu gi ahal ni haibagi wafam leiri ada hari ba asi baksang do lothona bagi da mangtani hoji leibi lakpiri ba police personnel sing amadi singmai police ki team sing leibi ba sing se Hojik Manipur police ki commando team raksak bulletproof gari ma thoujin dona hari mafam adu sangkhana basem sare loin sing mathakta hojik si mioi khara sathu hosen tawbagi mami tabana war morga sanction bada hek khudongsa da pfiam sumayu nari sengmai police station ki officer in charge Johnson namadi SSP YK social lusingba combined team CRPF yabu combined team amana hojik si hari basi basang adu loktona basem sare khunja sing ki paudam dagi hari basi ki basa adu sahi humpumuki Lenga oikeni haina panari CRPF ki platoon amadi Manipur police ki commando team hoji bulletproof raksak zipsi mana mang tharaga hari mafam se sankhina basem sari sengmai police ki OC Johnson amadi SSP YK social lusingba combined team aduni hoji thoujin basem sari basi hari mafam se da sankhin ba pagam da bagi maramdi sing mathakta yengum matamda Kulai Fiber Music Katosin Toba Ubaki Kudam Pangmadagi Hari Mafam Sankan Bada Hakting Nana Yamatuna Kulatuna Sankan Mangam Davani Zizi Mangda Police Kanamadi Raksak Zipsi Sigalorian Sankan Bahore Baumiki Timam Sankan Sam Sari Lena hojik si khoi ki civil amadi paumi sing mafam sti ki sang bada police na thing ma thamada ki sangkhan mangam tre mafam si hariba asi baksang si tadona re mafam sing sita paumi sing amadi hariba senjam sirangi kunja sing sanction ba yada dona lere CRP ki combined force amadi Manipur police ki team sanction ba hogre hojik camera du uriba thola bunker asigi manaktani haibiki Pau Pangi, Asi Baksang and Tadon Lady Pasi, Camera na jump Toraganda, Hari Papankarasi, Sitaki, camera copy of him Stegi, meter Sani थाप मफमदनी कोइना कैमराना चिंगछलगा लौजरिबसि बंकर हारिबा बंकर असिकी मरुमदा असि बक्सांग असि तादुना लei हाइबगी पाउ फंगदगी हारिबा कंबाइन टीम एसएसपी वाइकी सोर्सन अमदी सेंगमाई पुलिस ओसी जॉनसन लोइना सीआरपीएफ पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स की तुलबा प्लाटून अमग लोइना हारि मफम से संखनबा सेम साबनी टीम अमदी संखनबा मतुंग हारिबा टीम अमसु ममसिदा सेम सादुना लेरि लोइना सिंगथक्ता तोंगान तोंगान बा म्यूजिंग लुमदना चटपगी खुदम सुबा फंगी मखोंग योक्सिंगबा माले संखिबा पुलिस टीम अदो सेंगमाई पुलिस स्टेशन की तुलबा वैन अमा 47 टाटा मिनी अमा सिफाइसिंग लोइना असिबा सांद लोथोना थोजिंखरे मांगदो उखिबा बंकर अदुगी मखा थंग सरुक्ता गेट पानबा सिमनाक्ता खोगी सेंगमाई पुलिस स्टेशन की 47 वैन असि खामदुना लेबुई लोइना पुलिस सिंगना हारिबा गेट असि हांगनबा सेम साबा माले खोई मफम सिदगी पुलिस सिंगना खोइबु खुदोंथि पथुकनि हाबिदगी संगनद्रे असि या थोंग जिवति मनि इला संगो सोंतोंसा थवाय यावद्रबा हक्सांग अदु लई रमगनी हाइन थाजा मफम सिंगदा मणिपुर पुलिस की टीम अमदी कमांडो टीम लोइना पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स की टीम संसिंदुना सर्च तौबा हौख्रे हारिबा मांगदा हिसखिबा संग अदुगी मथक्ता काखतुना असि बक्सांगदु लैब्रा हाइदुना थिबा मोइ थबु चथरी संगठन की पुलिस की टीम अदुना हारिबासी बक्सांग अदु पुथरपगी खुदम फंगे वो फंगे सिंगी नापोमसिदा हारिबा संग अदुगी नाकंद लैरिबा लंबी सिदगी असि बक्सांग अदु मणिपुर पुलिस की पर्सनल सिंगना थवाय यावद्रबासी बक्सांग अदु पुथरकली मसक खंगथिबासी बक्सांग असि कना ओरंगदबनो हाइबा खंबगमद्रबासु सही हुमफु मुकी लिंगा ओइगदबा अदुलबा थवाय यावद्रब बक्सांगनी कमांडोगी गाड़ी रक्षक बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ी अमदी सेंगमाई पुलिस स्टेशन की रिकवरी वैन असि बक्सांग असि पुदुना थोरगली हाइबा लंबी असिदा थोरला मतुंगदा सेंजम चिरांग लंबीनी सोमदौरिबसे कैमरा पर्सन कविगा लोइना पाउदमजरिबा केके अमदी विनोद सेंजम चिरांग इम्फाल वेस्ट
Thangmeiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan sought cooperation from all the communities of Manipur in restoring normalcy in the state. The MLA stressed on saving Manipur first by keeping aside communal differences. Speaking to media today at Dharamsala in Imphal, MLA Joy Kishan highlighted the plights facing the public in the wake of communal violence in the state since the past few days. He maintained that Manipur Chief Minister and central leaders are leaving no stones unturned in restoring peace in the state.
MLA सिंगसु तुम अमकन्ना अदम होने आई इसामक्सु ngasi hojiksi force ki award pa leiba mayam mama leiraga su ai adum ai boina pira chalo never shame da tum piram bane ai gi security house ga lei si tum sin na biu traka lei tar di akoi gi isanga ko dei di leiba nga ko ne maru oi adum lobi oi nai ngasi piram bane aduna adum honorable shame le approve torok ta boiduna amani hojik mayam se aduna koi loi lobi gro ne loi madum loi leira bani aduna hojik si praja mayam na su akoi si akoi gi ijati kanda ba honna ba khare mani pan lu ba je manipur kan mai sine se masida mai onjen se yelo ngai dagi leira ba koi manipur gi saktam se akoi gi nga ke nuai ki ta ba ama dun tawka kain na ba doina charan gi gum se manipur kan ba hai bisina khwai dagi han ba wakhalo loiraga akoi kun na mak nuai ta ba ana ba je loi kau thoga pulap punjalaga hana gi normal ro laaga akoi kunda leita dana ing le minam phone se aina appeal tawjari Pajamiam Nasu, Yellow Idegi Ipaipu, Toan ba Purup Singsi, Toan Bulusing Basings, the Pulaga, Toan Bakwig Lamde Landara, but we put Punan Lang Minamba, Koi Manipur Shaktam Kaitan of Honabada, me Akia Hawaii Tagra Base, Pussy Bobule was the Koi Karigumba, Bob Pongo, the Bob misunderstanding when about him, any or Pusanu, Madrid Toy Batodokse, Atoba the Mulaga, Akoshi unitedly, peacefully, Leraga, upon Manipur Habido, Madu Adum Nartan Lation.
Speaking to media, Tagdo Tribal Forum advisor Panmai Muken Pao said People belonging to various communities in Thangmaiban Assembly constituency are still living together in harmony under the initiative of the local MLA. He urged everyone for unity and harmony in Manipur.
Hanadagi akwai sing tamgi oiba nungsinaba amagi makhada akwai dependent oina akwai singi pothok tamgi pothok akwai sumaina sanarga leiba phawbuse hojiksi yamna collapse oibagi film da lakpase masi yam thuna amuka hanna peace asi hanjin haningba asi akwai gi apamba ni haukiba matamda soina kiba lana kiba meyamdo akwai amana amabu koknare haraga handoknare haraga akwai awangba thaktagi asigumba athuba matamda akwai nungsi chanana leibagi hanagi phibamdo madu amuk hanna purakna bo honaba matamda akwai jati mayam pumna magna hona menasi.
Each and every community, we Maitai community, Bajar community, Kuki, Naga, everyone is like brothers and sisters. So I urge every community here to tackle this situation very calmly, very coolly, as this Thangmaiban Kendra is in very sophisticated in nature. Like our MLA sir is taking care of this situation very well. We don't have any problem out here as the problem persisted, like we are in the normal nature. So I urge everyone in the state to hold this very in tranquility state and to make this, to settle this thing very easily. I believe everybody will do it very well.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on postponing of NEET UG 2023 for Manipur State Center. Keep watching Impact News.
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imphal da nauna hangdok jare, Haidiba sida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlam sing, mafam asida pangbigani, ngasi maglangsing birau, Tilak Ras Enterprises, Presto, Tangal Bazar near Kasturi Tong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. National Eligibility Entrance Test NEET UG 2023 for Manipur State Center, which was earlier scheduled on May 7, has been postponed until further notice. A press release from Senior Director Exam of National Testing Agency under the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Dr. Sadhana Parashar said NEET UG 2023 has been postponed as per the request of Manipur government to postpone the exam in view of the present turmoil in the state. The press release said further information on the examination will be updated soon and inform all the candidates to contact 011 4075 9000 or to email at neet@nta.ac.in for more information. Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch has clarified to the public that there are no actual reports on doctors or medical students falling victims of the ongoing communal violence in the state. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Association President Professor R.K. Lenin urged the people in Manipur not to spread rumor in view of the prevailing grim situation in the state. He said Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch has been in contact with all the doctors regarding their welfare. He appeals to the masses to stay calm and control fear and anger. Head of Jennings Endocrinology Department, Dr. Ketrimayum Achauba, appeals to stop spreading rumors that his family fell victim to the prevailing communal violence in the state. In a telephonic interview with Impact News, Dr. Ketrimayum Achauba from Oripok, Pachaspati, Maninglekai said he and his family is safe and that he is serving people at hospital and no untoward incidents occurred to his family.
Dr. Ketrimayum Achauba Report Basaspati Maning Lekai the Labor, housing as Zenimsta, Peggy Endocrinology Department, Head of Department in the Topu Virim, Yansang Mayangi Sebata Guna, like Piriniko, Adu ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯝꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯤꯖꯔꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯎꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯦꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯦज ꯑꯦ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ इमुंगसीदा मयाम की सेवा अदुम तौजगीगे तौदनसु लेजरी अदुना उरिपोक बसबती लेकाय लेजरी बाय युमसीदा कारिमता इरांग करिसु लेते अदु करायदगी लाकपा सुगुंबा केनो नो हाइतारे को अदु मसी से खतंग नुआइतबा हाइतारे मयाम ना साइन संदोक पिरकपदि करायदगी नोइदि खंगदबा अदु मसी अमतंग कोगी इम्पैक्ट टीवीदगी मयाम न्यूज़ यंगबिरिबा मयाम पुनमक्ता कोइना कोई ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द फैमिली हाइजतारे आइना डॉक्टर की इमुंगसीदा काशु थोकते मयाम सिना कईगुंबा अमता नो मयाम दे कम्युनल सागतपिगनु करिमता लेजदे इमुनो अवाना कशु लेजदे है.
Now before we end, let us take a look at the headlines once again. Communal violence escalates in adjoining areas of Khundrakpam and Saiful Assembly constituencies. Locals flee to safer places. And National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET UG 2023 for Manipur State Centre, scheduled on May 7, postponed until further notice. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Have a great evening and stay safe.